Good evening. And the award goes to WinAir.
Accepting the award on behalf of WinAir Commercial Manager Kyle Vergeer.
Wow, what an exhilarating feeling it is to win among such deserving finalists. Accepting this award on behalf of the whole team is truly an honor. We have a fantastic team of talented individuals. We are fortunate enough to build and support our products entirely in-house. This requires a wide range of skilled professionals, such as Java developers, business analysts, aviation experts, just to name a few. Next, I'd like to thank the London business community for fostering an environment where we are not only able to find and retain the talent that makes our successful team, but also the supporting businesses that make this venture possible. Receiving the recognition of Media Business of the Year wouldn't come at a better time. We've recently released our newest edition of our world-leading software. We're on a clear path of growth, and WinAir is now celebrating its 30th anniversary. We look forward to the next 30 years growing alongside the London business community. Thank you again.